Wait, 1 minute lang. Naano siya eh.
Bakit eh? Bakit hindi pa natin siya nag-isa? Atras tayo na po. Mga malaglag sa atras tayo.
Mauna yung live stream natin.
Apa?
Okay, kasi sabi, live stream muna.
I-interview lang daw po kasi alis na po ata yung
Okay lang. Okay. So,
tapos after po dito.
Live stream. Okay.
Si Kuya Moore, ayaw ko maniwala na sa C5 dito. Sabi niya, posible. Sabi ni Mama, Moore, sinabi na, hindi ka pa ba naniniwala? Hindi siya naniniwala.
Si Kuya Moore, nakikipagtan.
Mega.
Chair. And for the meantime, I'd like to remind everyone to use our official hashtag for today. It's hashtag Juicy5Blackcon or hashtag Catherine for Juicy Cologne. Please don't forget to tag us at official Juicy Cologne via Facebook. And of course, Juicy_Cologne via Twitter and Instagram. Are you all good?
Oh yeah, this is
I'm pretty sure you all enjoyed our
about 30 seconds.
And
yung kanina mo.
of course, welcome to those new faces na nag-met kanina. Yan. Hello, everyone. By the way, I'm Tess from Star Magic. I'll be your host today. So the rest are familiar faces already. So I just want to know kung anong you are hosts of Juicy Cologne.
Na-traffic daw po sa yun.
Because of that, we will be giving away prizes. I'll be asking some questions. So make sure you can answer that question and we will take home another gift pack. Okay? Just so you know, the makers of prizes. I'll be asking some questions. So make sure you can answer that question and we will take home another gift pack. Okay? Just so you know, the makers of Juicy Cologne is also the maker of Silka Papaya. The makers of... Ayan na, nagkakabisaya po sila.
Hi, Mormon. Hi, Georgia.
Okay. The makers of Juicy Cologne is also the same makers of Silka Papaya.
Yeah.
The name of the company is actually Cosmetic Asia Corporation.
Ay,
And that one would like to acknowledge, of course, the presence of our friends from Cosmetic Asia. We have Jean Lear. A round of applause, everyone, for our friends from Cosmetic Asia. Myrtle Frantilla.
Ayan.
They're getting your message about 30 seconds late kasi.
Of course, we have the Juicy Cologne brand manager, Miss Claire Henova. Hi, Miss Claire.
Mag-send kayo ng questions.
Finance and Juicy Cologne marketing manager, Miss
Thank you.
Ay,
wala. Si Jody. Hi, Jody.
Just so you know, we have 8 variants of Juicy Cologne. I'll be discussing 2 variants and the rest will be discussed by Miss Henny in a while. So we have this sugar frosting. The scent is a fruity opening composed of sweet orange, pineapple.
Ate Kathy, remember me, the winner of...
Wait, I can open it to another window.
All the base is melange of sweet flavors. You get to smell the variants of Juicy Cologne in
solo. Pero we're still playing.
Okay.
For everyone. And of course, that's apart from the
I see the heart necklace. Yes, on ko siya.
Later. And of course, we have the
totoo bang natuto kang gumawa ng leche flan?
of juicy oranges.
You can answer here.
But they're given soft launch of anise on top.
Pero naririnig din nila ako. Medyo na lang. Yes, natuto akong mag-leche flan. Matagal na because of Mama. So, abangan niyo yung episode namin sa Kiss TV para matutunan niyo kung paano siya gawin. And then, ayun.
Hi, Miss Annie. It's good to see you again.
Hi, Kaya. Ayan, lumabas ka na. Lakas ng mic. Hindi marinig si Ka. Sa agitasyon.
Thank you so much for supporting us today as we try to make ourselves visible sa social network. Of course, alam naman natin na yung social media ngayon.
Bakit audio lang? Ayan. Anong favorite food mo? Mahilig ako sa pizza or anything na may cheese. Yan ang favorite ko. Tapos, bakit Ano pong, manood po ba kayo? Yes, Ate Weng, sabihin ko, gusto ko po manood ng Michael Bublé. Ate Weng, ito po siya. Ayan. Magkaya ka? Kita ka nila.
Nakikita ka naman.
Nakita ba ako?
Ay, late lang yan. Hi guys, please pakiusapan niyo si Ate Weng Corpus na payagan ako manood ng Michael Bublé. I-tweet niyo po siya. Oh, please. Please. At Weng Corpus, di ba? Ito ginag-as. Please.
Also, we are very happy that Catherine Bernardo is now part of Cosmetic Asia.
Ano nila yung sickness? Ano nila yung sickness? Suppose Cosmetic Asia din.
And of course,
Ay, joke lang.
we are so proud and honored that
Sinta sila tsaka biogenic alcohol.
in our opinion, of course, she is a fast rising star, fun-loving gal, a trendsetter. She has everything a girl should have, and we are so proud that she is
Baka
here
i-flat
with
ka
us
na.
today.
Kailan po ipapalabas yung Kiss TV? Within the week po yan. Ouch! What's your hair color? Ano siya? Brown na ulit? Hindi na siya ombre.
Sige.
Guys, mo ba parang meron pa?
Hindi kasi, di ba babalik ko colorin din, so hindi na masyadong inano. Para di daw madami. Ilan po kayo magkapatid? 4 po. Ay, ate ka. Favorite number? 26. Nagpa, wait lang. Kamusta ka? Mabuti po. Anong favorite song mo ni Michael Bublé? Marami, almost lahat. Kailan nirelease ng album mo? Kailan na kami? And, Ate Kat, anong most played song mo sa iPhone mo?
The Orange Twist, which is the color orange. The pink, which is Angel's Bliss. The purple, which is Dreamsicle. Green, Sprightly Sprinkle, and our bestseller, the red.
What favorite song?
And just last year, we also launched 2 more variants, Sugar Frosting and Up Up and Away. Thank you.
Ba't di ka nanood ng game nila DJ sa Moa Arena?
Okay, if you pay attention to what has
may
been said,
pictorial po at
you will be asking
may
questions,
conflict
10
po
questions, and you will take home 10 gift
And
packs.
then,
I mean, individually, 1 gift pack for a winner, okay? First
bakit
question.
mo nasabing meron
Who are
kang
the makers of
sopaw?
Juicy Cologne?
Ito,
First one, yes.
cheeks.
Perfect. Good answer. Okay. Second question. Give us the 8 variant of Juicy Cologne. So I need 8 winners. 8 winners.
Mga actor.
Individually, 8 winners ang kailangan ko. Sigaw ng Juicy. Ay, dami. Okay. Wait lang. I see Cha.
Ay, hindi pa siya.
Sugar frosting. 1
yan yung
winner.
actual feed. This is the,
Ulit.
this is the
Ay!
they will see.
Okay.
Ang hirap naman nito. Sino nag-judges natin? May bali. Let's skip that question, ha. Ito muna tayo. Hindi, joke lang. What variant of
Okay na eyelash mo
starts
na.
with the letter
Yes,
S?
guys, nadikit na siya. Ayun.
Okay, Alan! Alan is the winner. Dapat pala ganun ang technique, eh, no? Okay, next question. Variant of Juicy that starts with letter
Ate,
A. Ay, taray! Mami Jo! Mukhang kinabisado ni Mami Jo. You're a winner. Make sure hindi na mention yung itatanong mo.
Ay, hindi ko na
Okay.
mabasa.
Another
Ate,
variant.
that is a sekreto ng
Starts with a
magandang
letter.
bibig.
I think you can scroll.
Oh. Okay. I think it's Nicole. Nicole. Diyos ko, sigawan ito. Okay, next.
Okay.
Variant of Juicy Cologne that ends with letter S.
Ate Kat, ano po pangalan
Not
ng body
mentioned
na
kanina.
pinost
Okay.
niyo?
Ay, Celestial
anong
is
name na
correct.
teacher?
Dapat pala ganun ang technique,
Bonnie.
no? Okay.
Si Marshall.
Sino pang hindi nasasabi?
At saka,
Okay. Ilan pa, Miss? Okay.
ha? Aya, Lola, and Marshall.
This variant
Asan eh?
is one of what I mentioned kanina. It's like what
Medyo
you put on the cupcake topping. Okay, 1. Sa kanya po isa. 1 more. Okay.
Ate Kat, ano
Tama
mas
siya.
gusto mo? Long hair
Okay.
or short hair?
Okay. May tatlo pa. Ano pa bang di nababanggit natin? Okay.
What is your favorite
Variant of Juicy that starts with the letter D.
Atika.
Okay, it's nominate. It's nominate.
Favorite dessert?
Grabe, kabisado. Pag inisa-isa ko kaya lahat kayo, makakabisado mo yung walo. Meron pa bang isa? Ano pa ba hindi ko nababanggit? Ano ba isa hindi ko nababanggit? What are the two variants not mentioned kanina? Sige. Nauna yung naka-black.
Ano
Okay.
sabi
Sorry,
ko
what's your
sa
name?
Solid
Okay,
happiness.
this is for you. Congratulations.
Ah!
One more! Meron ng frosting, right?
Scroll, titigil siya.
Okay.
Pag yan, nag-score ka muna.
Okay.
Ito mag-automatic.
I guess you're all excited to welcome our endorser, of course, the face of Juicy Cologne. Without further ado, let's all welcome the teen queen herself, Miss Catherine Bernardo!
Bye-bye.
Bye! Wait lang.